Hey guys, welcome to Sid's Easy Cooking. So today we'll be making all season chicken with some yummy vegetables. Right guys, so we've got the marination. So these are the ingredients. We've got 673 grams of chicken thighs. We've got 1 teaspoon of the chili paste that we made in the last segment, a few lemon wedges, 2 teaspoons of pepper, and 2 teaspoons of salt. We also have some olive oil. The one that I use is extra virgin, but you can use anything that is available to you. I also have 2 Ziploc bags to help with marination. Hey guys, now comes the fun part, the marination. So I'm using Ziploc bag. Again, you don't have to. You can use a bowl which might allow you more space to sort of mix all the herbs and ingredients in. Again, I'm using chili paste from our previous video. You don't have to. You can use something else. You can use different spices as per your liking. And also I've kept it for the chicken overnight. You don't have to. If you like, at least keep it for at least 30 to 40 minutes. Alright guys, so let's round up all the things. So we've got the chicken from last night, it's all marinated. We've got the vegetables, capsicums, we've got 3 different types of capsicums there, and a little bit of broccolini here. Alright guys, so I've got some olive oil here. I like to use cast iron pan. You don't have to use the same pan. You can use a different oil as well. So let the pan become hot enough, because we don't want to put the chicken in when it's not simmering. Okay, let's inspect the chickens. Let's see how it looks. It smells delicious. Let me just try and show you on the camera what it looks like. Hang on. Look at that, it's nicely marinated. Okay, let's get the first piece out. The oil seems to be hot enough now. Alrighty guys, it's time for us to check on the chicken. What we want to do is make sure that the chicken is only 70% cooked and that it's already almost ready to be placed in the oven, because the rest of the chicken we will be cooking in the oven at about 170 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now, you don't have to use the oven. You can keep frying it on the pan. However, I like the way the chicken is cooked in the oven. Now we are ready to wrap the chooks in the tin foil. What we want to do is wrap the chooks in a way that the juices don't escape. That's quite essential. We want to make sure that the moisture is all retained within that package. So make sure you wrap them up nicely with the folds facing up, and then repeat the process for all of them. Now comes the easy part, cooking the vegetables. Feel free to use any vegetables as per your preference. While cooking my vegetables, I like to add a bit of balsamic vinegar just for the taste. but you can use any type of other sauce that you may have available. So the chicken has been cooking for about 15 minutes. What we want to make sure is that the chicken is fully cooked and moist at the same time. Let's inspect this first piece. It looks both, as you can see. Now what we want to do is let the chicken sit for 10 minutes while you check the rest of them, and we're almost there. We're almost ready to serve them. Guys, I'm so excited. The chicken is perfection. The veggies are delish. Get ready to impress your guests. You can thank me later. Thanks for watching. Bye.